Hey everybody, Jim King back out here in Kansas City up north by the airport. What we have here is a little 4-foot tall foundation wall that's leaning inward, causing problems with the brick. This sidewalk also is leaning towards the house. We can push this wall back to vertical against air, but not with the sidewalk in here and the earth up against the wall. So we will remove the sidewalk and go down to the footing and set our system up on the inside, straighten the wall, come back out here. We'll waterproof the wall while we've got it uncovered, seal all the cracks with polyurethane epoxy. Then we'll come over with some commercial tar, stabilize the subgrade, pour this concrete back. These stairs right here, we're going to install one king pier. We're going to tilt these back. Right here, they're tilted away from the stoop. And we will install one king pier over here by this planter box. Underneath it, tilt it back up, make easy work of it. So for all your foundation piering needs, call us. We are the proven best at engineering sound foundation repair, the proven best. Nobody does it better than we do. 816-288-4373. You can go to our website, kingpiers.com. Don't forget to check us out on our Facebook page. You can see all of our past projects and our photos. Thank you.